Hi guys, today in Nuts and Bolts, I'm going to give you the next step of what we're working on the 1982 Jeep CJ7 build. So right now we are almost done finishing putting the 4-inch rough country suspension left in it. As you can see right there, and the new shocks. And how you want to put this in to take your old stuff out is you want to take out the old leaf spring bolts, which are right there and right there. So you'll just want to take those out, and then you'll have to put a hammer behind the shackle over there and pound out the studs so it'll release the front of the leaf spring. And then once you loosen up that one, you'll have to cut the old U-bolts, which are those black things in there. Those are the new ones, but you'll have to cut out the old ones and take off your old shocks. And then pound out that spring eye bolt, and then the whole leaf spring will drop out. And then you can put the new stuff in, and also you'll have to take off the sway bar link because they'll give you the extended one like this one has right now. And as you can see, we painted the frame as well. And we found a little bit more frame rot right there. But everything else is pretty solid. Sometimes it'll take some pounding to get these rear spring eye bolts out because they get rusted in there after a while. We had to bang out a lot of ours. We had to cut one of them as well. And also you can see the drive shaft angle's pretty bad right now, so we'll have to put some wedges in between the axle and the leaf spring so it'll lift up the axle a little bit to correct the pinion angle, or else that drive shaft's gonna the U-joints are constantly gonna blow up. And here's the update on how the body's coming. We're getting ready to weld in one of the floor pans. And we got a support welded in right there. And grinding some of it in there as well. Okay, that's it for this video, but before we go, here's your Bible verse for this video. Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth me.